Hey everyone, today we're checking out the MrSanmu 31.5 inches rolling desk with monitor stand, a compact mobile workstation, perfect for small spaces, home offices, or even kids' rooms. This was sent to me for review, but as always, I'll be giving you my honest thoughts based on our real-world experience. Let's start with the unboxing. Inside the box, we've got the desktop board. It is a rustic brown finish, engineered wood with a glossy touch, feels solid and smooth. Next is the monitor stand shelf. It's the same finish, but it's smaller than the main desk. Next is the metal frame pieces, black iron, sturdy and well coated. Next is your wheels for locking casters, great for mobility. The desk also comes with 4 optional stationary leveling feet, perfect if you prefer a fixed setup instead of using the rolling casters. Next is your screws and hardware, neatly packed. Here's your assembly tool. Yep, they include a basic Allen wrench, which is all you need. Everything labeled clearly, and the build quality feels promising right off the box. Here's your simple installation instructions. Here's a quick time-lapse of the build. My wife helped me out step by step, and we followed the manual included in the box. Assembly was super smooth, took us about 25 minutes. Having my wife help made it even easier, and the instructions were clear. Now let's talk about the design. It's a 3-tiered setup. For the top shelf, it is perfect for monitor, desk clock, calendar, or desk planters. The height from the main surface is just about right. You can even put more accessories underneath it. For the main desk surface, with a depth of 19.7 inches, it's roomy enough for 15.5 inches laptop and your mouse, but you can fit a full-size keyboard and a few accessories. For the bottom shelf, this is where I plan to set up my daughter's future PC. It's a great use of vertical space. It is also an ideal spot for printers, scanners, or external hard drives that keeps them accessible but out of the way. Let's talk about the pros of this desk. I love the compact design and space saving. I like the optional lockable wheels for mobility. I like the sturdy metal frame and quality boards. I didn't notice any wobbling, and the assembly was super easy. 2 things I wish it had are built-in cable management, ideally behind the monitor stand to hide the cords. Second, I wish it had is a built-in outlet with a single USB port for a cleaner setup. My daughter charges her phone and tablet a lot, so having these features would benefit tech lovers. Other than that, my daughter really appreciates the desk clean, simple design. She's a big fan of the color and especially loves the built-in monitor stand. It gives her setup a more grown-up feel. We love how it fits into our space, and I'm excited to see how it grows with our daughter's setup. So if you have a small space like us or just a desk workstation for your laptop, this is worth a look. Link is in the description if you want to check it out. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.